In this guide, you'll learn how to update your iPhone to its latest version. Let's get started. These steps work on any supported iPhone model. Launch Settings. Now scroll down, head over to the option General, click on the option Software Update. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone checks for the latest update. Once the update appears, you will see details about iOS 26.4.1, which in this example is about 3.15 gigabytes. This update includes several improvements such as new emojis and new features for Apple Music, including tools like Playlist Playground that use AI help create playlists. To begin the installation, tap Update Now and your device will show Update Requested. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network and plugged into a charger, since the update process can take around 30 to 40 minutes depending on your internet speed, available storage, and Apple server. During this time, your iPhone will download and install the update automatically. If your device gets stuck or shows an error during the update, you can also connect it to a Mac or Windows PC and update it using a PC. And that's it. Those are the steps to update your iPhone to iOS 26.4.1. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.